Okay everyone, take 3457 of how to make a loop stitch. Okay, so we made a row of DCs and chain one spaces all the way around, and I'm here at the end, and I just want to show you in the last 3 stitches. So we have a single crochet here, a chain one space, and a single crochet there. And what we do is we chain one, which you can see I already did, and we DC into that last chain one space. That's a DC, and then we have that last single crochet left, and what we do there is we DC, but we don't finish because we're going to change color. So pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops there, and then I'm changing color. I have it prepared. There it is, a new color for my loops. So trying to get it in focus. There it is. Okay, so I'm entering the new color, and what I do is I just finish off the DC with that new color. So that's how to change colors invisibly. And then we're going to make our first loop. And the first loop we don't turn, we just stay in the same direction. We make a single crochet and we pull the loop up, and then I am using a ruler 3 centimeters high, so I hook it over the ruler. Hope you can see it well. Yeah, and then I pull the chain so that it's loosely attached to the ruler. And then for the single loop, so we don't turn, we have here that last DC that we made. That's where we made the first loop. So we skip that one and we go to the next DC there. We go in. Oh, beginning is a bit messy, no problem. We pull a loop through. There it is. Then we yarn over and we make a single crochet, and we pull that loop up and we hook it over the ruler, let go, and loosely pull until it's on the ruler there. And then we arrive at the first chain one space. We hook into the chain one space, pull up a loop, yarn over, make a single crochet, pull the loop all the way up and over the ruler, let go and pull. So there we are, 3 loops so far. And then the next will be in the DC. So we enter into the top of the DC there. I don't know why it won't focus today. There it is. And we take the yarn and pull it through. There it is. And then we make a single crochet, pull the loop all the way up, hook it over the ruler. There it is. And then up. So that's how we start, and we're going to work all the way back making the loops, and we hook them all on the ruler. So here I am at the end of the stitches there. You see the last loop has been made in the chain 3 of the previous row. And all these loops all the way till the end of the piece. So what we're going to do now is you want to then attach them with single crochets, and what we're going to do is, so I have them all on the ruler, and I'm going to slide them off the ruler like that, bit by bit. Don't worry, they're all well secured, except for this very last one. This last one, that one is still loose. And so what we're going to do is we're going to attach them together all with single crochets. And what I do is I take my hook and I enter the hook into the back of the loop, and I hold this one to make sure that it stays the same length. Turn over the yarn, there it is, pull through, yarn over again and pull through. So then we have it locked to that loop, and now we're going to make the single crochet, and that is just by entering one more time into the loop itself. There you see, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and there it is, first single crochet. And that's the start of making all the loops. And what I do is with all the loops, to get the same lining there, I all take them in the same way. So I enter the next loop in the back of the loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, single crochet made, second one there. Third loop, enter into the back, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, third single crochet. Fourth loop, enter into the back, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through. And so this is how we make, you can see there, this row of broomstick lace. So that's what I did for every single row. You see, every single row is the same, and you work this all the way till the end until you've attached all the loops. So one more time, into the back of the loop. You can also go into the front, it doesn't matter. I think it's just nice to do it all the same way. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. There we are.